In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop from Alibaba for personal use, 2025, step by step. Start by going to Alibaba.com or opening the Alibaba app. Create an account or log in using your preferred method. Take a minute to complete your basic profile, including your country and contact details. This helps sellers calculate shipping accurately and speeds up communication later. Next, search for what you want in the search bar. To find items suitable for one-time, personal purchases, apply filters like Ready to Ship, Low MOQ, and Trade Assurance. Low MOQ means you're not required to buy in bulk. Listings that show MOQ of one piece or mention that a sample is available are ideal. To surface those results, add keywords like sample, 1PC, or single item to your search. Before you buy, review the product and the seller carefully. Look closely at the photos and description so you understand exactly what's included. Check the MOQ, the seller's rating and reviews, how many years they've been active on Alibaba, and whether they display the Trade Assurance badge. Trade Assurance helps protect your payment and order. If a listing has no reviews or the details feel unclear, it's best to move on. Now message the supplier. Click Chat Now or contact supplier and ask if they allow an order of just one piece, the final price including shipping to your country, and the estimated delivery time. Keep all communication inside the Alibaba chat for your protection and to keep a record. Many sellers are happy to sell a single item if you ask politely and clearly. When possible, request a sample. Even if the listed MOQ is higher, sample orders are designed for single item buyers. The price might be a bit higher, but it's the simplest way to get one unit legitimately. When you're ready, place the order. If there's a Buy Now button, use it. Otherwise, ask the supplier to create a custom order for one item. Before you pay, double check that the quantity is set to 1. The shipping method works for your budget and timeline, and the total price is correct. Pay safely through Trade Assurance using a credit or debit card, Alibaba Secure Payment, or PayPal with participating suppliers. Never send money outside Alibaba or through external chats or links. After payment, track your order in My Orders, monitor production and shipping status, and save the tracking number once it's available. When the package arrives, inspect it immediately. If something's wrong or damaged, take clear photos or videos and